Murphy got underway today in the second-degree murder case of Ronald Gasser.
He's the Gretna man accused in the road rage killing of former NFL running back Joe McKnight. Today, attorneys in the case gave the jury two very different versions of the facts. Paul Murphy joins us outside the Jefferson Parish Courthouse with an update. Good evening, Paul.
Todd, was Joe McKnight gunned down at a Terrytown intersection in a fit of road rage, or was it self-defense? A Jefferson Parish jury will now decide motive, as Ronald Gasser is now on trial for second-degree murder. Today, the prosecution started presenting its case. Attorneys spent less than an hour delivering their opening statements. Prosecutor Seth Shute told the jury of 4 men and 8 women it's not contested that Ronald Gasser raised his gun and shot Joe McKnight. What's contested is why he did it. Defense attorney Matthew Getz countered that McKnight lunged into the passenger side window of Gasser's vehicle, cursing at him. Getz: Ronald Gasser was never the aggressor. He acted in self-defense. Prosecutor Shute: Gasser's version of the facts does not match the evidence in the case. Investigators say the December 2016 shooting that killed McKnight was the culmination of a road rage argument that began as he and Gasser drove across the Crescent City connection. Prosecutors described a tit-for-tat back and forth between the two men from the crown of the CCC to the intersection where McKnight died. The first cop on the scene, JPSO Deputy Anthony Patrick, testified that Gasser told him he, McKnight, cut me off and got out on me. Another officer on the scene, Deputy Doris Green, testified Gasser told her he, McKnight, got out of his vehicle, placed his hands inside his vehicle, and he, Gasser, shot him. Legal analysts have said that the case will largely come down to whether McKnight was in Gasser's vehicle, which would have given Gasser the legal right to defend himself with lethal force. Prosecutors showed a photo of a ladder sitting in the passenger seat of Gasser's vehicle in between McKnight, who was at the passenger side window, and Gasser in the driver's seat, where he shot McKnight 3 times. And jurors also listened to about a dozen 911 calls from witnesses at the crime scene. And some of Joe McKnight's family members left the courtroom in tears today as jurors took a look at some crime scene photos, including several of Joe McKnight lying dead on the ground. Now, this trial is expected to last up to 2 weeks. We're live outside the Jefferson Parish Courthouse. Paul Murphy, Eyewitness News.
Paul, thank you.